Me and Super Duper Cooper are off on an adventure today to see some friends. This is the first time that we've met up with any other van life people, so we're really excited, and I guess you'll just have to come along to see who we're meeting. Isn't that right, Coop?
We're visiting Kieran, Alice, Freddie and Suki, who have spent the last few months travelling from Spain and Portugal all the way across Croatia and have lots of good tips for us. So in return, we're going to be helping them out on their build.
Okay guys, so I know there are a few of you that are only watching this channel for van build, and our van build is nearly complete. So I've got a bit of a present for you. It is a brand new Luton van build. So this is their, I'm going to say brand new Luton conversion. As you can see, they're absolutely cracking on. Insulation is nearly in. We're going to be doing the roof today. Sides are on and they've got a super cool layout. So head over to Kieran and Alice and give them a follow because it's going to be an absolutely awesome build.
Oh, thanks, Alice.
No problem.
Joys of not having a job, eh?
Yeah, about to get these bad boys on the roof, so let's get to it. Guys have wrote me into probably the worst job, which is insulating the roof, but we're having fun.
My watch says higher than normal stress level detected.
Oh really?
So
am I stressing you out,
yeah, you are stressing me out, Kieran.
Oh, look at that.
Fucking nice. That's the best one yet.
So that is me off now. These guys are gonna have a cracking month with one hand short, so every time you're just gonna be thinking of me, wishing I was here.
Yeah.
But
you're more
no.
useful than Alice's mum and dad, that's for sure.
I thought you were gonna say that.
You have to cut that one out.
Head over, give them a follow. This build is going to be really interesting. It's really unique. You're going to definitely want to see what they're doing, and I guess I better go finish off my van.
We are so grateful for your help though this weekend. Oh my god, we have absolutely smashed it. Solar panels and getting
so much done.
I know,
yeah.
and
So much done. You wouldn't believe it. So much
you.
done. And if you want to see the whole build, it's on your video next week. Okay.
Suki said, just taking
Gotta
the
stop
limelight
wasting
now.
time. I better actually drive
Get on with some
somewhere.
work.
Yeah. Okay, we are back on the construction site. I've got a very keen pupper. You ready, bud? Do one for the camera. Come on. Ready? Catch. Good boy. But yeah, it was so nice to meet them, discuss their build, be back in that kind of early stages of planning. It's such an inspiring place to be, and it really gets like your creativity going. Be like, oh, we could do this, we could do this, we could do this. But for now, I think that's enough distractions for me because I've got a long list of things I need to get done in a short amount of time. This thing needs to be out of this driveway in 2 days, and I've still got a grey water tank to fit. How we've got to this stage and still haven't fit it, I don't know. And a whole list of things, so let's get that list written up. Fix our back doors. So our back doors, if you can see, this one has started to sag on its hinges, and that's not good. We can't have that because every time we go on a long journey, it just seems to sag more. So what we're going to do instead is remove these hinges, mount them here and here, and have bolts on the bottom. And we think that'll also make it more secure. Oh my goodness. This is such a needy baby. This is such a needy baby. Here then, come on. Let's get it. I'm looking at your camera, bud. Okay. Ready? could do that all day. But I can't because I got work to do. Someone who watched one of our videos pointed out that the screws were not very secure. And that's actually stupidly not even something that Yain or I had thought about. But what we did think about was that this door was sagging on its hinges and we needed to do something about that. So we've taken them off. I'm just about to level this section off where the hinges used to be and paint over it again. And the new plan is we're going to hinge them from the top with tamper-proof screws, anti-theft screws, security screws, because neither of us can weld and we're not going to pay for someone to weld some brackets over our screws. So we've gone for anti-tamper screws. So that's the current plan. Essentially it means these doors being completely redesigned and put back on. So I guess that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so I've come up with a new method of doing these hinges. So I've attached them to the back and I'm going to attach that to the top, and they're now going to open this way, so I think that'll work. But I guess only time will tell. Let's see. Okay, so Yain's at work. I'm waiting for him to get back to put the doors back on. In the meantime, I've been doing something that I know Yain specifically wants me not to do. So I've got about an hour to finish it, to show him how good it's going to look. And that is to drill knife slots in our countertop. Now before you judge, I think it's going to look brilliant. I've done one so far. So there it is. And I'm going to have all the different knives back there, because you're not using that part of the countertop anyway, and it'll look really cool when they're all in there. But Yain doesn't like the idea. So I hope he likes I hope he likes what it looks like once it's done. Because otherwise it's just wasted space, and we don't like wasting space now, do we? And we didn't have a knife place. So yeah, that's my excuse anyway. I've got to get that finished now before he gets back. Update. I broke the drill bit. Whoops. I'm only on the second slot. Shiza. I don't have another of this type of drill bit. I gotta figure something out quick. I got another drill bit, and I broke it too. Take 3. Drill bit number 3 did the business for the second one. So that's 2 slots I've got now. And I've got 4 knives to go. Let's do it. Hey people! We are, this is my earbud falling out. 3 knives down. 4 down, 1 to go. That one was a pain in my butthole, but how satisfying is this? Yeah, that's good. Time for Big Daddy knife. In case any of you are cuckoo and decide to attempt this, I can think of no other tool in my toolkit that I can make precision long lines with. If they are more shallow, I would have gone with the router, but my router only goes about this deep, and my countertop is this deep, so that was out of the question. I've been drilling these little holes in a straight line as close as I can get them together, and then I've been doing diagonal line to try and like break through all the channels, and then I've just been very sadly breaking drill bits until I get a straight line. I'm not saying it's a good method, I'm saying it's what I'm doing. And drill bit number 3, it's been a champ so far. Touch wood, because I'm on my last hole now, and if it breaks I'll be really sad, because it's the last one I've got of this size that can cut through wood. So let's get this one done. I knew I shouldn't have said anything till the end. R.I.P. number 3. Shit. 1 last drill bit, and look at this. Voila. Little butcher's block right behind my oven. How can you not like that? I need to tidy it up a little bit. And they actually look straighter than I thought I was going to get. They don't all sit perfectly in line. These two are slightly further apart as well, but I like it a lot. Mine is back. The moment of truth. Okay, come in, honey.
Moment of truth doesn't sound good. Excuse me, buddy.
I've done something that you didn't really want me to do, but I wanted to do, so I think it looks good, and I'm just hoping you also think it looks good. Because if you don't think it looks good, there's no going back.
Everybody, I think it looks great. What have you done?
Look by the hob.
Oh, that's sad. It looks great.
But do you not like it?
No, it doesn't look bad.
It's not tidied up yet.
Okay.
It needs. I'm going to sand over and re-oil it.
Go around those edges and oil them up.
Yeah.
In which case, fine. Although that gap's bigger than the rest of them, which is annoying.
Yeah, but it looks cool, right?
It is okay.
It is okay.
It's not bad. I thought it was going to look way worse.
Yeah.
Why do those two not quite go up in the right height order? Isn't it annoying?
They're just the same height.
Oh, that's so frustrating.
Yeah, and the small two are the same height as well.
Yeah, it would be so much nicer if they went up in a nice straight line.
Yeah.
Luckily, I like your map, so.
I haven't showed you guys my map. I put it in a frame.
Getting some man work done.
He's now doing something that I didn't really want him to do, and I can't really complain because of the 5 holes now on our countertop.
Complain because this makes sense and needed doing. You were just being a bit of a lazy butt. You were happy to accept that the bathroom door didn't shut properly. Which is particularly annoying.
That statement is correct. It functioned fine.
It did not function fine. The door wasn't shut.
It was just a small gap.
The water would have exited the bathroom on its own accord. Not anymore. Hi everybody, I'm doing a vlog. The camera's dirty though. Now you can see me doing a vlog. So I was right. Is that correct?
When you finish it, you might be right.
The door now closes. That's it. That's all it is. And the handle turns. Ta-da. Just Heather needs to make it a bit smaller because it's a bit too big now. So if you wouldn't mind taking that off and redoing, I think that'll be. And we've also done. Oh well. That down there. The old big lip. The big lip is to. Once we put a little thing on here, is to stop the water running down this door and straight out into the van. Is the plan.
That's it, bye-bye. Okay, we ran out of storage on the SD card, but the doors are on. The original method of the concealed hinges did not work, so we have gone back for our tamper-proof hinges on the top. We will have this in the middle. Something securing on the inside and something securing on the outside. And that will be our security doors. That's it. Now, something fun. I get to come up with a mount for our surfboards.
For my life, I'm sitting behind the wheel, staring into it.
I've got some work to do on the straps, but I can only hope that what it lacks in style it makes up for in functionality. But that is how we are travelling our surfboards. Yarn's fin is inside, just in case anyone is wondering where that is. And if nothing else, it is an incentive for us both to get a lot better at surfing. Because the better we get at surfing, the smaller our surfboards get, and the less space they take up in our kitchen. Yeah. Stitch the buckles onto the end of those. Let's get a closer look. You can see that. Stitch the buckles onto the end of the surfboard straps so that they don't go anywhere. Am I going to be able to do this one-handed? I cannot do it. I can do it. So close. Yeah. So they are in and secure. I've oiled and sanded this countertop now. How do you feel about our knife block now?
It's okay. It's not bad.
We're still on okay! Gosh darn it.
That's
we
good.
might have migrated from okay to it's really nice or I love it, but it seems not.
It's much better than it was before it was finished.
Thanks! And do you like our surfboard mounts?
Surfboard mounts work.
You just have to be careful when he comes in the door.
Yeah. But they're higher than the actual door anyway, so.
I can still stand fully upright below them, which is good. And guess what, honey?
What?
The van build is complete.
Say that again.
The van build is complete! Feels good, doesn't it?
Good work, darling.
It's been a long time coming, that sentence.
Yeah.
A long time. The work isn't done yet though. We still have to clean this up, get our stuff in it, and get out the door, which could be a mission in itself. Baby wins. Celebrate the wins as they come.
Small wins. Small wins is what we need.
That's a massive win.
And we need to just go.
Get out of here. Yeah.
I just want to go do some adventuring. I don't want to be stuck here. I don't want to be doing work. I don't want to be doing nothing apart from adventuring and having fun.
That's what we got.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.